Jai Hind friends, hope to find you all very fine and good state of health. First of all, I would like to compliment each one of you on the occasion of 72nd Republic Day of our country. My name is Major Rakesh Sharma Saurachakra. I'm a Kargil war veteran and I've been interacting with the kids, school kids and the college kids for quite some time. Today on this auspicious occasion, I have precisely three messages for you. The first message is be focused, don't get distracted. What is happening is that with so much of innovation, then technological advancements, and so many innovations, a lot of our young generation is getting distracted and probably falling off the track. Uh, so be aware of that. I'm not saying that you shouldn't participate in the innovations or something like that, but remain focused on your main aim, on what you want to achieve in life and what you want to do. As you remain focused, you need to be concentrated, and you also need to be ensuring that whatever are goals you have set for yourself, you achieve those goals uh, as you move ahead. That's the first message. The second message is that around you, and in fact, to be very open, that you are very very lucky, and I must say that you are there in the main educational stream, and you are getting educated so very nicely. Not all kids like you are so lucky. There are many who are not able to get really a decent education in our country. So what do we do? So kids like you can go back and participate in educating such kids around your society and your locality in whatever way you can possibly. You can impart them some skills, you can impart some knowledge with them, so they also get into the mainstream and they also get benefited, motivated. And not many parents of these such kids are able to afford regular education, so go out, reach out to them and participate in the development of your peers, of children of your age. That will be a great service to start with for our nation. Third and very humble message and request to you all is that as you grow in life, you all have aims. You are going to become something, whatever you've thought of, you are going to reach very high. So once you are able to achieve the professional aims, whatever you set for, do not forget your motherland. Whatever you become, it is because of this motherland. So I am not at all expecting or stating that like us soldiers who are willing to part our lives any point of time whenever it is needed. That is not required. What is required is that whatever you get, give a part of that back to our society. So I'm talking about futuristic thinking, maybe 15 years, 10 years. Even today, like I gave you the second message, you can impart skills and education to the kids who are not able to afford, so you can start straight away with that. But remember that this country belongs to you. Our country India belongs to all of us, and we all need to participate in the advancement, development and unity of the country. It's been wonderful talking to you all, and I will express my gratitude to you all for listening to me for this time. Thank you so much, and Jai Hind.